Hello, welcome to Texas Instruments India Innovation Challenge Design Contest 2016 anchored by IIM Bangalore. This is our product, Troop Track. We are students from Dayansagar College of Engineering and this is our product demonstration video. These are team details. The list of the TI and the non-TI parts we have used in our prototype. This is our block diagram of the prototype integrated with the Android mobile app. Here is the product demonstration.
Hello, this is our final prototype. We are using two analog TI sensors. They are LM35 and LM35AH. LM35 is used to measure body temperature. LM35AH is used to sense surrounding temperature. And this is PIR sensor. Based on the intruder and based on the thermal heat of the person, it detects and sends the output to the server, and whereby we can access the values through our Android app. This is emergency keypad where preloaded messages are being set such that on pressing on a click of a button, the value is updated into server, which can be accessed through mobile app. Final. This is a heartbeat sensor. When a bomb explodes near or any undesirable event occurs, this tests the pulse of the person and sends to the app. And this is final the important part of our product, GSM module, which takes all the values and upload in the cloud called ThingSpeak and thereby sends it to app.
This is our TI MSP 430F5529 launchpad. The GPS module is used to send latitude and longitude values to the server based on the triangulation method. And here all the sensors are integrated together into the PCB board. Now we'll show you the working of our final prototype.
Our app for the product. So as you can see, there's a login screen where we have to enter the password. Now we have used the accelerometer of the phone to update the app. So if I shake the phone, it should update the values. So as you can see, all the values have been updated. Now there's this feature also to view this particular location in the Google Maps. For example, here, if you click this button, so it should show the current location where we are at. So this is the current location address. We can see here clearly with the latitude and the longitude mentioned. And you have the option of going back as well to see it. This is option of refreshing, and again, if you want to get the new values, you just have to shake the phone and all your values have been recorded again.
The server data which we had collected from the values of the sensors that it had uploaded into the server, it consists of 6 fields that are basically the sensors that had responded to the server, and the graph showing the ranges in which the values have been uploaded. This is the survey details which we have done with our customer base. Basically, we are asked few questions which are like, is the product useful for your industry? And 100% of the people have gone for yes. The second question which we asked is, what is the likelihood of the product solving current problems faced by your organization? 55% of the people said absolutely yes, and 44% of the people said moderately. The third question which we asked is their pricing appropriate? 88% of the people have agreed to it. Thank you.